Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this Christmas tree ornament. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 60 chain crochet stitches. 60 chain crochet stitches. Once you are done with your chain crochet stitches, just skip the first stitch after the current loop on the needle, and from next stitch we will make 3 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. Just remember 3 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. This is the third one. Now we go to the next stitch. See, 1, 2 and 3. Now we switch to next stitch. So it's like every single stitch we are going to make 3 single crochet stitches till the last stitch in the line. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. So this is how it looks after it get completed. Okay, it gets all, this is a curly Q. Okay, using same pattern you have to make with one more color. You make it like white or red or green or red. It's like whatever. See, this is one with white and red, and I'll show you one with the green and red also. You have to curl both one into another. Okay, see, curl this way so you get like broad chain. See, a broad one. I'll show you in green and red also. That is also good combination. See how pretty it looks. Okay, now we will stitch both the ends to get a complete circle. This is how. Okay, now we also need a bow. So I will show you how to make the bow also. For bow, just make a slip stitch, and after slip stitch make 50 chain crochet stitches. Okay, just complete 50 chain crochet stitches. Here I am done with 50 chain crochet stitches. Now again skipping the first stitch after the current loop, from next stitch we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. One slip stitch in each single stitch till the end of the stitch. We are going to do same, one slip stitch in each single stitch. So I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, our chain gets little bit broader. Now what we are going to do, we will just turn it and in the pattern of bow, see, like this, and these are with 2 loops. I'll make 4 also. See, this is 3 and 4, and just stitch in the middle so that they don't get scattered away. Okay, they don't open up, and stitch this whole thing on the 2 end where we stitched our 2 end to make a circle. We will stitch all together See, like this. In fact, if you want to put some kind of flower, some kind of a pearl or some kind of stone, whatever for decoration, you can put that also. So this is how a final piece looks like. So those who have already subscribed to YouTube, my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I am coming up with lots and lots of new videos. And if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, as I've already told you. I have sorry for background noise. I'm already many videos are there. Thanks for
Thanks for
watching.
watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.